Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update from NML, National Meteorological Laboratory. Now, when you will go to the official website of NML India, here you can see few options are available for the temporary job. Okay, so this is the first one is walk-in interview for the project staff. When you will click here, you can just download the detailed PDF. So let's check it out what it is saying. So first of all, they are having the direct walk-in interviews or test which will be held on the 22nd July to 25th July. So in between 22nd to 25th July, where at CSIR NML Jamshedpur. Okay ji, now here, so they are going to take interview for the research associate, project associate, project associate 2, project SRF, JRF and so on, scientific administrative assistant and so on. So majorly here, okay, they are recruiting for the metallurgy branch or the chemical branch, but yeah, here we are having 2-3 options for the mechanical students also. So I will show you here. So this is for the BB Tech in metallurgical project associate. Okay, the next is BB Tech in metallurgical, and this is for the chemical. And when I will go to the I think BEB Tech. Okay, yeah, if you are having 3-year diploma in mechanical, then you can apply for the project assistant job. You can apply also for the project assistant. Here we are having two options, two different options. Okay, and here for again the 3-year diploma, the project assistant, and yeah, I think this is here. Yeah, so this is for the BTech in mechanical engineering and 2 years experience in research and development in industrial and academic institution or science and technology organization. So project associate 2, okay, here studies on the keep crack growth rate behavior of GTM. So they mention the topic also, even specifically which project is going on. Same for the BB Tech in mechanical engineering. Okay, project associate 1 post preliminary fatigue crack growth. So they mention the project also, which project is going on there. You need to apply. Again, here also BB Tech in mechanical project associate, number of vacancies also mentioned here 111. Okay, BB Tech in mechanical engineering and a 2-year experience in again, and here also one position is there. When you will go for the chemical, it is option, okay, BB Tech again here in the chemical or metallurgy. So most of they are having positions for the metallurgy only, dear students. If you are just filling this criteria, you can surely go with this one. Chemical metallurgy, BTech in chemical is also there, or MSc students can also apply here. This is mentioned. Yeah, this one is for the BB Tech in electronics and communication, instrumentation or equivalent from a recognized university, and a 2-year of experience in the R&D department. To project associate 2, number of vacancy 1 only, and this is mentioned the topic also, the project topic also mentioned. Okay, and yes, and when I will go for the next one, again for the BE Tech in electrical or electronics or instrumentation, computer science also there. 2 years of the experience in research, R&D, project associate 2, number of vacancy 1. This will be the project they are showing. Okay, and 3-year diploma is there. I think, yeah, I cover all the things. Now what will be the upper age limit and enrollments is mentioned here. For the project assistant or for the project associate, which I was showing you, for the project associate, the emoluments will be 25,000 to 31,000 plus HRA. Upper age limit will be 35 here. Now, who can apply? Candidates who have qualified NET, NET test or the GATE exam. So you can apply there. Okay, that is clearly mentioned for the project associate 1 and for the project associate 2. This is the requirement. For the scientific get, okay, project assistant 20,000 plus HRA will be there. Upper age limit is 40 here, and senior and project SRF is also mentioned. So you can check it out. The details are also mentioned here. How to fill, what is the criteria, how to apply. Okay, as they will have the direct walk-in interviews between 22nd July to the 25th July, dear students. If this information is helpful for you, you can just use it. If you think this is not for you, then you can share it with the other students. Maybe by your sharing, someone who required this one get this. Okay, dear students, and still if you not subscribe our YouTube channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon so all the upcoming notifications you will get, dear students. Thank you.